Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you this how you can create a wallpaper or choose a wallpaper from Adobe Express app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Adobe Express app. So I'm gonna open it. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this we have to wait for a few seconds. As you can see, now Adobe Express app is open. Now simply we have to click on the search all templates. So let's click on the search all templates. Now simply I'm going to search for the wallpaper. So as you can see, now let's click on this and we have to click on the search button. And after clicking on the search, as you can see, you are going to get a lot of wallpaper designs here. For example, if you want to choose this one or this one, as you can see, different type of wallpapers are here. For example, I want to use this one, so I'm going to click on this. As you can see, now simply we have to click on the remix this template. If you want to edit this, we have to click on the remix this template. Now as you can see, we are into editing mode. Now if you want to edit the text, you can also do that. You will double tap on the text. As you can see, now if you want to change this, you can also do that. Simply, for example, I'm going to write this text here, and now simply I'm going to click on the right, and as you can see, now the text is changed. If you want to remove the shape or drag this anywhere, you can also do that. For example, I want to drag this, whatever you want to keep this, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to delete this, and now I'm going to drag the picture here. As you can see, now it's done. So in this way you can create a wallpaper in Adobe Express. If you want to download this, you have to click on the download, and now you have to choose the mode that in which format you want the image, and then simply you have to click on the download and the image will be downloaded. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create a wallpaper in Adobe Express app. So see you guys in the next video.